Hello, beautiful people and future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. Today we will be doing Java and some typing, of course. So we'll start with the typing and we'll go from there. Alright, what is the result? 5%. Well. Well, next we will be continuing on the tutorials point, and there's a Java thing I was doing, and I was on the 12 decision making before it's loop control. That is a long time ago. So decision making, I can do the decision making maybe. Again, so I will create class, I guess. Yeah, and it will be this. Making repeat. So one, yeah, why not? That is a long name. Yes, add please. Decision making. Okay, so we will have a publicity void main. And inside of that, one of the decision controlling things is the if statement. It looks like this. Yes. Statement that is if something which evaluates to Boolean, and if so, we will print out true. And that is an if statement. The if statement can have else part, and inside we will say false. So if I run this, we'll see that this thing in here will be now it will print out true. That's it. This is the if else statement. Okay, it says true here. Okay. If else statement. Okay. Then we have case. Now switch. So let's say int I will be equal, I don't know, 1, and here we will have a switch, yeah, that one, and we will switch on I, and here we will have the body, like so, and then we say case 1, I believe, case 2, okay, so, and we will say salt, and we'll print 1, salt, we'll print 2, and we have a few things which we can do here, and well, we have the cases, then we have a default, and we will just say default, like so. Now if the value is not found, we will get the default value. So if I run it now, the default will be print out. Okay, so now it says default, but let's say it will be 1, for example. It will actually do all of them. It will do this, and then we'll continue in the other ones. It will just start on the number which we defined here. No matter how many how many numbers we will have here. Like so. So 1, 2, 3. Yep. Sure. Okay. And now it will print out everything. If we don't want that behavior to happen, we can use the break statement. So each time the Java will arrive at the break statement, it will jump out of the switch statement. So let's say I will put it on here, break, and if we keep it with the 1, it will execute this, execute that, and here will jump out of the body. So if I run it again, we should see 1, 2, and that would be it. Here we go. So we have a if, we have a switch, and I don't remember more. And I just remember that I forgot to start the time, so here we go. Okay, so let's have a look what they say, or we can have a look in here. Oh, the ters operator, sure. So that is ters operator, and the syntax is like this. You have a R and A equals, and now we will, so the first thing is a Boolean expression, or something which evaluates to a Boolean. Then we have a question mark, then we have a dot, and then we close that thing. So this space will be executed when the condition or the evaluation, it will evaluate to true and here to false. So in this case we want to return some integer, so let's do 1, 2, 3, and here we will do 4, 5, 6. Now it will be 1, 2, 3, because here the expression is true. If it will be false, it will go here. The equivalent to this, oh crap, there we go, is this. It will be if, or I will do Boolean condition, and that will be right now true, and then we will go here, and I could do this condition, Yeah, and equivalent to this would be if condition, then a equals 1, 2, 3, else a equals 4, 5, 6, and then we will print it out a like this. So we can run it, it will be the same. Now we will have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here. And we do. If I change it to false, we will get the other case, which is 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. I think it's, oh, it's not terse, it's ternary. That's the right name for it. I think that's it. I think that's it. Okay. Just for completeness, I can do operator, bum bum bum. Now it will be wonderful. And it takes forever, for some reason. Alright, so let's see what the tutorial says on it. That was this basic operator making here. Okay, so we have a if statement, if nested, the ternary conditional operator, condition operator. Okay, what is next? Okay, so I got a that you can net statements inside of each other, and that you can do. Okay, so we will have. Oh, everything is so slow. Not responding. Oh, that's great. Hmm. It's really slow. What is eating my CPU? What's the problem? Weak computer? That's the problem. my god, it's horrible. Obvious, so Chrome stuff. I don't know. And this will be nested if. And here will be if. Okay, so here we will have boolean if1 equals true, then boolean if2, and that will be true as well. Or we will have a if1, yeah, and inside of there we'll have a f2, and here we have a sub, I don't know, f2, sub f1, yeah. So now when I run it, it will be if1, f2. If this is true, we'll execute everything that's inside in it, and we can stack it like inside of each other indefinitely as we want to. Note that it would be a good. It's not okay. Okay, like that. Crap. Like so. Okay, now it will work. There we go. This will be false. It will not work. We will just get the if1, and if this will be false, we will not get if2 at any time. Okay, that is not the thing I wanted. This is the thing I wanted. Okay, so what's next? I can close this. Number class. Numbers class, okay. So first I will commit, and that will be action making repeat 1 commit. Just commit. Now I will create a package. That package will be Java tutorial, and it will be the 13, and that will numbers class, like so. And inside we will have a Java class, and that will be numbers class. Will be number class, numbers, whatever. yes, please edit to Git. Now, so we have a number, which is a class which is like on top of all other numbers. Like it is the parent, that is what I want to say. And so we can have a number n equals new number. Do you have the, or are you abstract? Okay, so I guess it is abstract class. Okay, there are some things which can be interesting. So we have there is a abstract int, long, float, float value, double value, interesting, byte value, short value. I did not know. Well, this you will go back. Numbers, we have 6, I think, so it will be int I equals 1. Maybe I can publish static with mine. And then we, let's do it by byte v equal 1. Then we will have a short equals 1. And then we have integer, yeah. Then we have double, logo, do just d. Do we want, then we will have a long, it was long, equals on the 3L, double, then we have a float, equals for 1f, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I think that's it. And if we, okay, so it is class, right? So maybe this should be byte. This will be short, it will be the encapsulating classes. This will be float, and this is not the integer. Okay, and now what is wrong with here? Requires double. This is okay? Okay. Okay, so we have that. What else can I say? You can convert between them. For example, all of them, I can refer to all of them as a number. So I mean, I can point to them with a reference with type of number and equal to b, no problem. And then I will print n. Try to run it. It's 1, and I can do that for everything, I believe. Number, come on, number, and equals, and then we will have n equal I, salt I, okay, n equal, oh, I did not use that, okay, so, sorry, and equals to L, salt, and what do we have? N equals T salt. Oh, come on. N equals to FL, like so, and we'll print it out. Maybe I'm too fast for the computer. Ha ha ha. Kind of liked how it looked. Number class. Done. Run it. I should get all the numbers. Maybe I can compare them. So if n equals FL, yeah, well, that will not work probably. Let's say so that will be n equals FL. We'll run it. So that will be. Where did you jump? Why? It will say n not equal FL. And we here have a problem. We cannot compare them at all. Required boolean provided number. Oh, because I'm assigning to it, so this is the comparison. It says it's the same. I wonder if they do the conversion. So let's say if, and I will take b equals to double. Yeah, and we will say here byte equal double else we'll say so I'll say byte and not equals double. Okay, run it. Here we have a problem. Can we apply to Java byte and double? Okay, so this is interesting. Anyway, we'll switch to here and see what they say. Normally when we work with numbers, we use primitive data types such as byte, int, long, double, etc. Yep. However, in development, we come across a situation where we need to use objects instead of primitive data types. In order to achieve this, Java provides wrapper classes. All wrapper classes, integer, long, byte, double, float, short, are subclasses of the abstract class number. Noticed? The object of the wrapper class contains or wraps its respective primitive data type. Converting primitive data types into object is called boxing, and it is taken care by the compiler. Therefore, while using a wrapper class, you just need to pass the value to the primitive data type to the constructor of the wrapper class. And the wrapper object will be converted back to primitive data type, and this process is called unboxing. The number class is part of the Java Lang package. Following is an example of boxing and unboxing. It will be still integer, right? Number methods compared to so maybe I can do here. I can do this compared to t, and I'll delete. Oh crap, not that. I'll delete that guy. And now when I write, maybe that will be okay. It doesn't look like it. Right, byte and double. Can I compare D to B? D. Oh, yeah, so I don't want compare to. I want equals. Oh my god, why it takes so long? It should be snap, like nothing. Okay, let's have a look in the equals, shall we? The instance and then the value. Okay, so yeah, it checks for the code for the type, so this will not pass. Anyway, we are 3 minutes over the time limit. Well, more actually. But that means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.